Take a second to look at this on how I introduced the vowels, las vocales. Check this out. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to repeat the sounds. Repitan. A.
A.
E.
E.
I.
I.
O.
O.
U.
U.
A. E. I. O. U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Repitan. A. E. I. O. U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Good. Repitan. U. O. I. E. A.
U. O. I. E. A.
Now, in Espanol, the sound A always has the sound A. It never has a different sound. In English, we have many different sounds for this letter right here. Can anybody tell me what a sound for that letter is? Tifania?
A.
A. What word do we have that has the sound A?
Apple.
Apple or cat? Sara?
A.
A. What word do we have that it's an A?
Like, maybe.
Maybe. Good. Good. Very good. Repitan. A. Maria.
A. Maria.
Maria.
A.
Verde.
Verde.
I. Violeta.
I. Violeta.
O. Rojo.
Rojo.
Azul.
Azul.
As you can see, we like to use a lot of color. We use action so that the kids are moving around a little bit. We don't want them just stagnant sitting there. We want them participating. It's a real classroom situation. These are real students. They're my wife and I students that we've had throughout the years in our language school that we have. And so we know this works in the classroom situation because we've been doing it for the last 7 or 8 years.